Start already. Shoot. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, hi
Waalaikumsalam.
everybody. Untuk kesempatan kali ini, we are going to have a talk about the current Bupati of Jember. Dan untuk podcast kita hari ini, kita kedatangan a guest, tamu dari salah satu mahasiswa Universitas Islam Jember and also UNEJ, Universitas Jember. So, kita ada 3 topik yang akan kita discuss. The first is about the history of Mr. Hendy Siswanto as the current Bupati of Jember. And the second is about his work so far. Does he really do well and so on? And the third will be the last one as well. We're going to be talking about the next candidate. Will he be the most suitable and have the upper hand over the others? And we're gonna talk about those 3 topics. Jadi 3 topik itu yang akan kita bahas. Langsung saja ke topik yang pertama. Let's dive right in. Number 1, let's ask him. And of course, not just asking him. If I can have my own answers, I will give you guys my own answers as well. The first is about the history of Mr. Hendy Siswanto as the current Bupati of Jember. So maybe, Brother Khalid, maybe you can give us more insight about him.
All right. Thanks, Mr. Imad. So, hello everyone. My name is Khaled Hassan. So here we will be, like, as Mr. Imad say, we're gonna discuss about our current Bupati Jember, which is Bapak Hendy Siswanto, or his name with the gelar ERH Hendy Siswanto STIPU. So I don't really like how to say know much, since we need to research more about his data. We can just go check the BPID Jember Cup ID. There is his data, and also the timeline of what did he do before he became Bupati. So Papa Henry Siswanto was given birth in Jember, 6 May of 1962. Uh, and at the moment, he is serving as the Bupati of Jember since 2021 until 2024. So before he became the Bupati of Jember, he once worked in a company that focuses on consulting for construction plan, and beliau juga bekerja di salah satu perusahaan kontraktor di bidang konstruksi, and then finally also own a company that also how to say, focus on construction, fashion, and also culinary. So
Wow.
as we can see that a lot of his from his background, he got a lot of experience in especially construction, since that is his degree. Thus, he focuses more on the planning and strategizing the construct how to say, building construction. And then they also got another experience in fashion and culinary. So he's quite well versed in the development. That's I'm sure that everyone knows Papa Bupati himself does a lot of development around Jember, including the road repayment and a
Mhm.
lot of building upgrade. So I'm sure Mas Imad also experienced himself, like there's a lot
Yeah.
of ongoing project at the moment.
Sure, sure. I can tell that for sure. And so, if we're talking about the history of Mr. Handy, he has a lot of experiences, right?
I agree.
Especially the one that you mentioned about construction.
Yeah.
So we can say he has no, red, I don't know, red notes maybe, or
Sorry.
like catatan buruk in history.
Yeah, maybe there's not really much bad rumors about him, though. Like,
Yeah.
if we're talking about missing out a few of people, villages or places that he might forgot to,
Mm,
survey untuk membuat perbaikan ulang. But this most of the issue has been completed until now. So uh, is how to say he served his position really well.
okay. So in terms of history, there's nothing to worry about.
Yeah.
Everything is just perfect. Okay, the next is about, let's see, his work. For this one, maybe I can give some words and some
Right, right.
comments. For me, as one of the students of uh, UEJ so far, what I have been experiencing throughout Mr. Hendy's watch as the Bupati of Jember, all I can say is the infrastructure. It's really, really good. I can say for sure. Why? Because especially about road repairman and alun-alun right now. It's ongoing project and also some beasiswa scholarships
Oh.
mhm, for campus universities, for students.
Mhm.
It's really good. I can tell it's really good, especially about road repairman. I live in Ajung, and in Ajung there's this road to Mangli,
Mhm.
from Ajung to Mangli, and the road is just so bad at the time. It's like it's not even it's not felt like you are riding your motorcycle or cars on asphalt. It's just like
Mud.
not just mud, but more like a rock and stone
Oh,
at
that's
that time.
annoying. That's
Yeah,
annoying. I'm not gonna lie.
there are so many holes. Um,
Oh.
Tapi semenjak Mr. Henry menjabat, yang namanya pembangunan jalan, terutama di Ajung sampai ke perempatan apa itu intersection Mangli,
Mhm.
itu sampai sekarang so far the road repairman, we can tell for sure, benar-benar bisa dirasakan for now.
Oh,
It's really
as a
good.
resident of Jember, as a resident of Jember, you can actually experience like the work that he made for everyone, not everyone, the public lah.
Yeah,
That's good.
and
That's good.
also like Chorataker,
Hmm.
di
Chorataker?
Chorataker at that time,
Hmm.
uh, I don't know for sure, but I heard some information that jalanannya itu rusak. Tapi sekarang itu kayak mulus banget.
Oh, so even that far, he also pay attention
Yeah,
to the
yeah, like
infrastructures.
yeah, the infrastructure. Even he reached the infrastructure like very, very remote, remote villages. That's why I
That's
give
r-
thumbs up.
that's a rare how to say leader, right? Like
Yeah,
you know
sure.
a few of how to say coordinator from each region, it's not a region, say a region failed to serve to the public, like let's say manage their money or
Mm,
the budget. Let's say it's basically the public budget for the for everyone goods. So I also like hear that
mhm,
the how to say, since every year they need to report financial statement to the government as the responsibility over the money, the country budget. They also obtain wajar tanpa pengecualian. So for your information, in auditing term, like auditing, you need to really they need to check like each part of the financial statement that has
mm,
been recorded by the government. So it's almost like in company as well. Like when you check the financial statement from a big company, they will have like the auditor opinion. So the opinion is wajar tanpa pengecualian. So it's basically like all the money that has been used by the government under the governance of Bapak Hendy Siswanto is all by standard and how to say according to the protocol and regulation ditetapkan oleh pemerintah. Jadi tidak adanya penggelapan lah, something like that. So it's all clean money. He used his money well. He put it on a good use. Thus, in the end, wajah tanpa pengecualian is also one way to show that he is a very trustworthy person, something like that.
Hmm. Okay, okay. Wait a second. We have some problems with difficulties, technical problems here. Can you hear me?
Yep.
Can you hear me? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
great. So let's continue about the last topic. So will he be suitable? The next election for Bupati. He's reigning. His reigning pemerintahan will be over soon. So the next Bupati election will be just around the corner. Now, what do you think about the chance that Mr. Hendy has as the next candidate of Bupati? Will he has the upper hand above the other candidates?
Um, well, in my point of view, I'm sure like as he will have a better chance because how to say there's a few of his ongoing project like that talking about alun-alun Jember. It's one of the how to say strategy left like quite used nowadays by leaders to left the let's say the legacy of the previous leader. So I'm sure he's trying to do that as well, so people will remember him. Though he might did not really how to say spread out much how to say promotion like the other candidates. But in my opinion, he is quite as a non-patriotic person because I also live a long time outside the country, like let's say far away from Indonesia. But I can say that his governance in this time is really how to say giving a positive impact throughout Jember,
Mhm.
and if I'm sure in everyone's heart he is still gonna be a good one for next period. So
Mhm.
yes, he's gonna be the upper hand in the eye of the citizen.
For me, for sure, yes, and I will vote for him. So, like, come on, you can do it.
Yeah, yeah, you
You know,
support him. We will support
I
him.
will support him.
Yeah,
I-
no
I'll
worries.
vote. I'll vote for him.
Hmm.
Well, thank you so much for your information, brother. I think that's all for today's podcast episode.
No
Thank you
problem.
for talking and taking your time to talk with me.
No problem.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, everybody. That's all about today's podcast. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Stop the recording. Okay, just end the meeting.
Yeah, so how long was it?
I cannot stop the recording using my phone.